You can see this video gets 45 million views, and this one 6.5 million views, and this one 29 millions, and this one 50 million. And here are every single video gets millions views by uploading simple meditation video. You can see this is a 452 millions. Can you imagine how much money they are actually make? This is insane, and exactly I'm going to show you how you can create this type of meditation video using AI instantly. It's less than 5 minutes. So after watching this video, you are able to make this type of video in less than 5 minutes using InVideo AI. So this link I will attach in my video description for the access. So I'm using right now Deepseek for generating this type of video idea. So I write here, give me 5 YouTube video idea about a meditation video. I click on enter, then wait few seconds. It's already working for me. Anyway, Deepseek are completely free for using right now. 5-minute morning meditation for positive energy. So I copy this title, then going on here, then I need to click on make explainer video, then select your video duration. So I select 5 minutes. Keep in mind this is only for example purpose created this video. So I paste here my title, 5-minute morning meditation for positive energy. Here are if you are able to add relevant informations, which type of video you like and dislike, and everything you can describe here. This is the best, but I don't need this one. This is use only stock media. This is a free version, so I'm using right now only stock media. When you have a paid account, I must be request for using only generated clip, because this is a instantly creating image, video and elements for you. It's exclusively for you. So I just use only stock media, then background music I need this ones. Okay, I need to meditation for positive energy. This type of background music I need it right now. Select your language right now. Here are the lots of language are available. You can use anyone. It's completely same method. You need to just select your language. Okay, I need to add an watermark. Okay, this is my name. I add here. Then voice actors, you can choose female or male as well. So I select male and voice middle age British voice. This is good. Okay, stock subtitle music preference, then click on continue. Again click on generate video. Okay, my video are 20% ready. Once you have done this process, you need to select two options, stock media or generative media. If you have a paid account, you need to just I highly request you for using this method, generative media. So my account are free, so I select stock media. Then okay, this is a default or best inspirational, and this is good. Okay, this one just again click on continue. This is a final step for me for creating this video, so I'm waiting another few seconds. Once you have done this process, you need to check entire video. Your video are ready for download or not ready. I mean everything okay or not okay. If you found any mistake here, you need to just click on music. Here are everything customizable and editable. Don't worry, you can edit everything and anything. So once you have done everything okay, ready for download, you need to just click on download button, click on download, then stock watermark normal 180, again click on continue. So my video are ready for upload on YouTube, because this is already start.
Each morning is a fresh start. It's a moment where the world is quiet and the possibilities are endless. The dawn brings with it a sense of renewal, a chance to leave behind the worries of yesterday and embrace the opportunities of today, a new chance to be happy, to find joy in the little things like the warmth of the sun on your face or the beauty of nature waking up around you. It's a reminder that happiness can be found in the simplest of moments, to find peace. Are you ready to welcome the day with open arms, to embrace the calm and serenity that the morning brings? It's a time to set your intentions and start the day with a positive mindset. Many of us wake up feeling stressed. The weight of our responsibilities and the demands of the day can feel overwhelming.
You can see how I create this meditation video using this InVideo AI. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.